Instant Rava Dhokla, an easy and convenient savory snack made with semolina or rava. What sets this recipe apart is that the batter does not need fermentation as in the traditional dhokla recipe. It gets made quickly and is an easy breakfast option. For making the dhoklas, here I have taken 1.5 cups of rava, 1 cup of curds, and a tablespoon of crushed ginger and green chillies. Mix everything well. Keep this mixture aside for 30 minutes, allowing the rava to absorb the curds. After 30 minutes, we will add water, salt, and a teaspoon of ENO. The addition of ENO results in light and airy dhoklas. To this mixture, we will add water as required gradually so that we get a thick flowing batter. The batter should be thick. Add a teaspoon oil and give it a quick mix. The batter is now ready for steaming. We will grease a plate with few drops of oil and pour in the batter. Place this plate in a steamer in which some water is already boiling. Cover the steamer and steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooked, remove the plate from the steamer. Sprinkle some red chilli powder over the dhoklas. Cut the dhoklas into squares. For tempering, we will heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, 3 to 4 green chillies and few curry leaves. We will now pour this over the dhoklas. The dhoklas are now ready to be served with coriander mint chutney. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Look at the dhoklas. So fluffy and airy. The dhoklas are light and spongy. In case you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.